Hey guys, so Pinchme was kind enough to send me their beauty box, which is full of like beauty samples and goodies. So I figured we would do an unboxing together. So if you are ready to see what's inside this box, then just keep watching. All right, so Pinchme, you can sign up. They do samples in exchange for reviews and your thoughts, which I think is fantastic. Usually I get like vitamins, medications, sample cleaners, sometimes some sample pet products, but I rarely get sample beauty products, which is why it was so exciting that they offered to send me their beauty sample box. So inside is a mystery. I'm just gonna blindly reach in and grab something and see what we get. Downy Unstoppable Lasting Freshness. I have used these before and I do like them, so that's fun. I feel something large, let's see. Ooh, okay. Pond's Clarent B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream. Ooh, I wonder if this has a color to it. This is what it looks like. These are some really good samples. They're like pretty good size. Oh, and it's sealed. I don't want to open it right now because I don't need it right this second, but I will definitely try it and give them my feedback. That's a nice size sample. Shampoo? Okay, Eva NYC Lift Off Volume Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm always looking to switch out my shampoos because my hair gets used to what I've been using. So when I switch it, it's like a breath of fresh air. It loves it when I switch my hair products. So this is nice. We have, I don't even know how you say this brand. Joe Argan Oil Moisturizing Soothing Hair Mask. I feel like I'll probably use this for my daughter who has like type 4A, 4B, tight, coily hair, and I feel like she could use this. I feel like things with argan oil for my hair make my hair too greasy because I already have like, my hair already gets oily within like a day or two. So I'll definitely use this on my daughter. Next up, we have the Belief brand Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Cream. I have tried the Aqua Bomb before, very nourishing. Next up, we have the True Labs Hydrate and Organic Greens Electrolyte and Organic Green Drink Mix. Interesting. My kids have tried a few of these. My husband uses these like before the gym. I feel like he'd get the most use out of this one. I generally find them too salty to just drink if you're not working out, but he'll probably try that. Next up, Moroccan oil. I've gotten this a few times in these sample boxes. And again, I don't really use hair oils, but I will definitely use this on my daughter's hairs. Two daughters, two different hair types, both curly. Next up, another Eva NYC. This is the Therapy Session Hair Mask. Okay, so I think you get, is this the whole line or are they slightly different? Nope. This one's peach, this one's pink. So they're a different line, but the same brand. And I've previously used the Eva NYC, I think like the heat protectant and the leave-in conditioner, and they're both really good. I think it was called like something miracle, hair miracle. Natural Eyes Complete Eye Relief Fast Dissolving Tablets. I've never used a tablet in my eye. For real? Tablets. Dissolve entire tablet under tongue. Interesting. Okay, something new. Next we have Ecos Tucumana Anti-Signs of Aging for Your Skin. What is it? Body lotion. Body lotion. I usually discover brands I've never tried before in these boxes, which is nice. Next we have Vitamask. I do have a few sheet masks from Vitamask. This is the Hyaluronic Coconut Hydrate. I assume it's a sheet mask. Oh yeah, at the bottom. Little sheet mask. And I have a sheet mask like holder that holds them in place, which I find very useful. Ooh, Sedure Natural Lavender Exfoliating Foot Mask. I used this one time, my feet were peeling for days. It was such a weird sensation. So I don't necessarily think this is for me, but perhaps my husband wouldn't want to try it. I don't know. I was a little too grossed out by it last time. Okay, I've gotten this one before, the Moroccan Oil Moisture Repair Conditioner and Shampoo, like little sample packs. They're great for travel. Sedure, that same brand we had before, the Nicotinamide Nicotinamide hand mask, the avocado one. Moisturizing and brightening. I could definitely use some moisture. My hands are dry. I just did tons of dishes and they could use it. Ooh, okay. Carmex Weather Guard, moisturizing lip balm with SPF of 30. I'm always on the hunt for a good lip balm in the winter. Feels like there's like 4 more things. Okay. Miles Rugged Deodorant. You smell good. Never heard of this brand, but I have been using Native. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, okay. Kind of smells like Old Spicy. I will definitely give that a try. I actually keep like a little mini deodorant on my desk so that I can reapply during the day. I work from home, so no one sees me reapplying it, but it's just kind of convenient. Ooh, makeup. Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. I have tried this in a pink. I didn't love it, so I'll probably give this one to a friend, but I can definitely review it because I've already used it. Elemis, great brand, very pricey. Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. I do like their products. I'm currently using one of their eye creams and one of their facial toners. And I believe this is the last product. Again, that brand, Sandur, Peach and Plants Hand Cream. I'm usually a fan of anything peach scented, so let's see. It's really not scented at all. It's a very, very, very mild, like peach tea type of scent. Yeah, barely any peach essence to it at all. But it's also not greasy and not sticky feeling, so like it soaks in very quickly. So that's nice. So that's it for the Pinchme Beauty Sample Box. I got some things in here that I have not tried before, some new brands I've never heard of, some brands and products that I have tried before. So it's a really nice mixture of everything. So maybe I'll do like a follow-up later on with my thoughts of all these products once I've had a chance to try them all. But head on over to Pinchme if you'd like to sign up for their sample box. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.